Most people get this wrong. They assume PayDash is just a basic payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that PayDash has evolved into a complete financial platform, offering early access to wages, installment payments, and tools to help you budget smarter. Here's how it works. PayDash allows you to access part of your earned wages before your official payday, usually within hours. This feature is ideal for emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. On top of that, you can split certain purchases into smaller payments to fit your monthly budget. The dashboard is simple and easy to navigate. You can track advances, monitor upcoming payments, and even get insights into your spending patterns. Notifications and alerts help ensure you don't miss a repayment, which is critical for avoiding fees and maintaining financial discipline. The downside, overusing PayDash can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, so it's important to use it responsibly and not as a permanent solution. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active to track payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to avoid over-reliance on PayDash. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, PayDash in 2026 is a flexible, practical financial tool, but only if used wisely. Plan repayments, monitor spending, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and smart money tips to stay in control of your finances.